Right, welcome back to the Srad restoration. Today I'm going to attempt to put a smoked tint over the headlight. I tried this once already, and what I did, I put some of that soapy like water on there, and it didn't turn out like properly. You could see like a rainbow effect underneath. So this time I'm going to try and put it on just dry. I'm not too hopeful about this because it's quite a cheap wrap that I bought, or tint, or whatever it's called. I think it was only about £4 off Amazon, and you got like a massive sheet of it. So I have tried it twice, and both times it's failed. So this time I'm going to try it dry, and then just keep pulling it up, and then using the hairdryer try and pull all the creases out, and then I'll just trim it at the end. Right, let's see how I get on. So first thing you need to do is pull the backing off it and just place it down. So what you do, you initially put it down. Try and put it down with as least creases as you possibly can. Then you just need to get the heat gun on it, and then just shrink it all down. Try and get all the creases and bumps out of it. So there's a big massive crease in the middle there, so that's got to come out. So I want to heat this up and then try and stretch it. See how we go. I want to try and get it on video what I'm doing. It's a bit hard from like the angle, but what you want to do, so you keep heating it up, lifting it up, stretching it, pushing all the bubbles out. So you keep doing that, keep heating it up. Stretch it as much as you can. That's it. Just keep working your way around, stretching it and stretching it until you get all the, well, as many of the bubbles out as you can. I'm just going to carry on doing that. Once you stretch it out pretty good, got as many of the air bubbles out as you can, just take your heat all around the edge, so it should shrink the edge. And once you think you're finished, get your standing knife, cut round the edge. That should be it. We'll see how that turns out. And once you think you're finished, take the top layer off. And there we go, that's the finished product. I might put some more heat over it, see if I can just shrink out these last little few bubbles. I say this was a cheap version of it, so yeah, it's not that good. We just put some heat over. I really scratched it as well here when I was cutting it. I'll say it was only a quick trial, see if I could do it. Just put some heat over, see if I can shrink it up a bit more. Well, that's the final tint. To be fair, it does look shit, but I'm going to keep it on just for the time being, because then when I put the lights on, the heat might shrink it down a bit, the little bubbles that are there. And if it doesn't, I'll just tear it off. So thanks for watching, till next time, bye.